All right, my name is Cassidy. I'm with Complete Business Systems, and right now we're going to go over the EPSON T-Series driver when you're using a Mac. And so what you'll want to do is have your PDF open, and then right now I'm using Preview. I'll show you with Preview, and I'll also show you with Adobe Acrobat Reader, just because the driver will look a little bit different based on the program that you're using. So we will go ahead and just print like normal. And then the first thing that we'll want to do is just make sure that our EPSON is selected. And so because mine is on our network, it will say SC T5270. Otherwise look for the EPSON T5200. Okay, from there you can see in our little preview right here, it does not look very great. The first thing that we'll want to do is go ahead and change your paper size. The very first time you open this menu up, all that you'll have are these sizes up here. What I would recommend doing is inputting your own sizes and just input the ones that you're going to be using most often. So 24 by 36 is a really common one. Obviously this document is a square, so I will go ahead and go to my 36 by 36. However, to input your own custom sizes, we just go to the bottom right here. We click on that, and this allows us to add. So let's say we wanted to add a new size. It will appear at the bottom. We can click on that and rename it whatever we want. So for instance, let's say we hadn't added our 36 by 36, we can do that. And then make sure you actually change your dimensions over here. All right, from there, if you want, you can change the margins. I typically just leave it as is, but if you don't want the extra white space around your poster, then go ahead and change those. We click OK, and you can see that our paper size, it has the name here and the dimensions here. And then from there, we can see our preview here. All right, the next thing we want to do is click on this drop-down menu that says Preview. We'll go ahead and change it to Printer Settings. And then you'll get these three dialog boxes, and at the bottom it'll say Acquire Info. We'll go ahead and click on that, and that should communicate with the printer to determine what type of paper is loaded up. All right, and then if it ever doesn't determine what type of paper is loaded up, you can change it for yourself. Basically, roll paper is going to be if you're using the EPSON paper, it has the width, and then you can change what type of paper it is. Typically, it will just do it automatically though. And then from there, if it still looks good over here, all you have to do is go ahead and click Print, and it will start right away. Okay, the next thing we'll go over is if you're using Acrobat Reader. So here's my file. Once again, it's open, and then we'll go ahead and just print it like normal. Okay, and again, make sure that your T-Series is selected. All right, you can see that the driver looks a little bit differently now. So the first thing that we'll want to do is at the bottom here, we'll go ahead and click Page Setup. So from here, this is where you'll access your paper sizes. So basically, you have all the same things. You have your the ones that you've inputted, as well as your Manage Custom Sizes. So if you want to put in your own size, that's where you'll go. Otherwise, we can just go ahead and select whichever size we want. Click OK. All right, from here, we can look at our little preview. We see that it's very, very tiny, and that's basically just going to be right here. We'll go ahead and click Fit. All right, the next thing, we'll click on Printer at the bottom left. So from here, all we have to do is click on Layout and change that to Printer Settings. All right, your three dialog boxes are right here. So once again, just go ahead and click Acquire Info, and then that will change based on the type of paper that's loaded up. You can click Print, and then if this looks good in the little preview, go ahead and click Print again, and your poster will start right away.